Hi, this is Dan in Nature. My name's Dan and I live in the redwood forest, in a redwood forest. And I thought I'd give you a little tour of a little day in the life of. This is a flatter area on the side of my hill. 5 days ago it looked like this. And I'm making it flatter and bigger by placing logs on the edge as a retaining wall and digging into the side of the hill, covering all of this with soil. I've been daydreaming today about moving up here. I live down there in a tent. I'm dreaming of building some kind of a cabin up here, maybe a tree house up there. But for the time being, I am hoping to put a shed here to keep my things dry in the rain. One redwood, one Douglas fir. What will I build out of those? What kind of shed will go here? What will this hole look like? What will my treehouse look like? Right now, they are dreams. So, we'll see. We will find out if I continue to choose every day to make these dreams a reality. Here we go. I'm going to head up to my garden and feed the worms some compost.